Welcome to this happy birthday card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this card. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need for this card. It's super simple. You really just need one colored pen, whatever color you choose. And as always, the rhinestone accents are optional. To start, draw out the design on your base paper or cardstock that you're using with your pencil. Once you have that complete, take your colored pen and basically start tracing over the pencil lines that you just previously drawn. For this card, I decided to use a really pretty kind of raspberry fuchsia color, but really a super easy way to customize this card and design would be to simply change the pen color that you're using. So I started with the word happy, and what kind of makes this happy birthday card unique are those kind of dot accents that make up part of the H. And then I simply continued on with the word birthday. And the way that you kind of get the calligraphy style effect of the lettering is simply by thickening the downstroke of the letter. Once you have that complete, you could leave the card like this for a rhinestone-free version. Or if you want to add a little bit of extra sparkle like I did, was I placed some kind of purple or similar colored rhinestones on top of a few of those dots on the H on the card. And then once I had them where I wanted, I just simply took some of my fast drying glue and glued all of the rhinestones on. And once the glue is dry, the rhinestone version of this happy birthday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.